So the yogurt whey has stopped fermenting and it's about 6 weeks old. So it will have turned into alcohol now. There'll be still, I think there's still a few bubbles coming up, but because the balloon's gone soft like that, that means that it's not producing enough carbon dioxide to make the balloon expand and not create that airlock type of thing. But it will still be fine inside. So 6 weeks, which is about what the champagne yeast took, but it won't be as strong as champagne yeast. It'll probably like maybe a third of the strength in alcohol that the champagne yeast was. But anyway, let's chill it and let's taste it, and then we'll kind of see what it's like. I didn't put the spices in, did I? But we'll get an idea. So anyway, so we'll chill it, and we'll see what it tastes like later on today when it's cold. Right, let's have a taste. Only really out of curiosity. I don't actually know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to collect the yeast from the bottom and do something with that, but the alcohol? I don't know. It's alright. It's alright. It's not as nice as the other one that I made. I might just stick it in the back of the fridge and see what happens to it. But it doesn't taste like it's come from a dairy product, you know. I don't know how you kind of classify it. Yeah, it probably could do with a bit of lemon in it, and it probably could do with the spices that I missed out of it in it. But it was, I didn't really make it for that, did I? I made it to see how quickly my home collected yeast fermented something, as opposed to a bought champagne yeast. So of course it's not going to be as strong, so therefore it's got a different flavour to it. But yeah, it takes longer to ferment things using my homemade yeast for whatever reason that is. Obviously, different yeasts turn things to alcohol and ferment things quicker. You know, that's the nature of things, isn't it? Oh, my home collected yeast makes a nice cider. I think champagne yeast would have been better, but out of curiosity, and it's a waste product is the way if you're not going to do anything with it. But anyway, I have answered the question that I wanted the answer to.